You're probably here because you either saw this guy's face, or maybe even this guy's face, and or also all of the above. Or you're here because you saw the words Amazon, PPC, and free somewhere on the internet. Regardless of how you got here, I wanted to be one of the first to say, welcome. Or, as they say in Canada, welcome. Now, I know you probably have a lot of questions going through your head right now, like, hey, who is this guy? Are those succulents behind him actually real? Or maybe even, how does he get his hair like that? All these are great questions, ones that I get a lot, but probably more than that, you're actually wondering why you're here and what all this stuff is about. Never before has it been so important to learn and understand sponsored advertising on Amazon's platform. Now, don't get me wrong, it's always been important, but as we see Amazon changing over time, we see more and more emphasis being placed on the necessity of understanding how to run sponsored ads. Amazon sellers know that it's one of the most important aspects to understand and implement in their businesses, but even still, we see it as one of the most misunderstood areas when it comes to selling on Amazon. I'm a seller myself, and honestly, for the longest time, I kind of just brushed aside PPC because I didn't really understand it. But because I didn't understand PPC, that didn't mean that it wasn't important to implement. In this course, not only are you going to see the drastic difference between how Liron and I style our hair, on top of all of that, you're gonna learn how to best set up and structure your ad campaigns, how to find the right keywords to target, how to run profitable ads, how to automate your ads, and you're gonna learn how to utilize specific tools to make the selling process and the PPC sponsored ad process so much easier. On top of all of this, best of all, it's free. No payment necessary. All this information, all this guidance, all this strategy is free. Liron is a seasoned seller. He's been selling for a long time. He's been selling successfully for a long time. He's also trained a lot of other Amazon sellers when it comes to PPC and sponsored ads specifically. We brought in Liron to walk us through this whole process and this whole course. So we have a master of selling on Amazon, a master of Amazon and PPC. We have this incredible A to Z process of how to utilize and start running sponsored ads for your Amazon products, among many other things, and best of all, it's free. We saw this as one specific area that sellers were really struggling with. This course is gonna change that. So if you wanna learn PPC, if you wanna start running good ads for your products, and you just want life to be a little bit easier and a little bit better, fill out the info below and you'll get taken to the course. Really good content, it's all for free. I'll see you in there, and I'll see you on the other side of PPC and sponsored ads.